Imagine turning on your computer one day and realizing that the struggle you've accepted for years with your desktop operating system is no longer necessary. No constant updates, breaking things, no forced design changes that nobody asked for, no feeling that your computer belongs more to a corporation than to you. That feeling, that quiet realization, is exactly what Zorin OS 19 is aiming to deliver. And honestly, it might be the closest Linux has ever come to feeling like the natural future of the desktop for everyone, not just enthusiasts. Zorin OS has always had a very clear mission: make Linux beautiful, accessible, and familiar without stripping away its power. With version 19, that mission feels more focused, more confident, and more relevant than ever before. When people talk about the year of the Linux desktop, it often sounds like a joke that has been repeated for decades. But Zorin OS doesn't try to win that argument with loud claims or hype-driven marketing. Instead, it quietly solves real problems that everyday users face. Zorin OS 19 feels like the result of years of listening to feedback from Windows users, macOS users, and longtime Linux users who just want their system to get out of the way and let them work, create, and relax. From the very first boot, there's a sense that this operating system was designed with intention, not just assembled from random components. One of the most striking things about Zorin OS 19 is how polished it feels. Linux has come a long way in terms of visual consistency, but Zorin has always been ahead of the curve here. Everything looks cohesive, from system settings to default applications to animations and transitions. Nothing feels unfinished or experimental. This is important because first impressions matter, especially for people coming from Windows or macOS. Zorin OS 19 doesn't scream you're using Linux now. Instead, it gently invites you in and says, this will feel familiar, but better. The desktop experience in Zorin OS 19 is a major highlight. Zorin appearance, which has always been one of its standout features, feels more refined and flexible. Users can easily switch between layouts that resemble Windows, macOS, or something uniquely Linux without installing extra software or digging through complicated settings. This isn't just about copying other operating systems. It's about lowering the barrier to entry. When someone switches to Linux for the first time, muscle memory matters. Zorin OS 19 respects that, while still offering a clear path toward discovering the deeper customization that Linux is famous for. Performance is another area where Zorin OS 19 shines. Even though it looks modern and visually rich, it remains surprisingly lightweight. On older hardware, it feels responsive and smooth, which is something that many people are desperately looking for as Windows continues to demand more resources with each new version. Zorin OS has always been a popular choice for reviving aging laptops and desktops, and version 19 strengthens that reputation. It's not just usable on older machines, it actually feels good to use, which is a crucial distinction. Under the hood, Zorin OS 19 benefits from a more mature Linux ecosystem. Hardware compatibility is better than ever. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, graphics cards, printers, and webcams work out of the box in most cases, which is still one of the biggest fears for new Linux users. Zorin's team clearly understands that the average user doesn't want to troubleshoot drivers on day one. They want to install the system, log in, and get on with their life. Zorin OS 19 delivers exactly that kind of experience. Software availability is another area where Zorin OS 19 feels future-ready. Thanks to Flatpak support being deeply integrated, users have access to a massive library of modern applications that stay up to date without compromising system stability. This approach strikes a nice balance between the rock-solid base of the system and the flexibility to run the latest apps. Whether someone needs productivity tools, creative software, development environments, or entertainment apps, Zorin OS 19 makes it easy to find and install them without touching the terminal, although the terminal is always there for those who want it. One of the most interesting aspects of Zorin OS 19 is how it positions itself in a world where Windows users are increasingly frustrated and macOS users feel locked into expensive hardware. Zorin OS doesn't try to replace Windows by being a clone, and it doesn't try to replace macOS by chasing aesthetics alone. Instead, it offers a third path, an operating system that respects user choice, privacy, and control, while still being modern and user-friendly. This philosophy is more relevant now than ever, especially as concerns about data collection and forced online accounts continue to grow. Privacy is a quiet but powerful strength of Zorin OS 19. There's no telemetry phoning home, no ads baked into the system, and no requirement to sign in with an online account just to use your own computer. This may sound normal to longtime Linux users, but for people coming from Windows 10 or 11, it can feel almost shocking. Zorin OS 19 reminds users that an operating system can exist to serve them, not to monitor them. The overall stability of Zorin OS 19 is another reason it feels like a glimpse into the future of Linux desktops. Crashes are rare, updates are predictable, and the system doesn't constantly interrupt you with notifications asking you to reboot or change settings. This reliability builds trust over time. When users trust their operating system, they're more likely to explore, experiment, and fully commit to it as their daily driver. Zorin OS 19 earns that trust quietly through consistency rather than flashy promises. Gaming on Linux has improved dramatically over the past few years, and Zorin OS 19 benefits directly from that progress. With Steam, Proton, and modern graphics drivers, many popular Windows games now run smoothly on Linux, often with little to no extra configuration. Zorin OS doesn't market itself primarily as a gaming distro, but it provides a solid foundation for gamers who want to make the switch without giving up their hobby. This is another example of how Zorin OS 19 fits naturally into the modern Linux landscape, rather than trying to reinvent it. For content creators, Zorin OS 19 offers a stable and comfortable environment. Video editing, graphic design, music production, and streaming are all more accessible than they used to be on Linux. While some proprietary software is still missing, open-source alternatives have matured significantly, and Zorin OS makes them easy to install and use. For creators who value control over their tools and dislike subscription-based software models, Zorin OS 19 can feel incredibly refreshing. Another important aspect of Zorin OS 19 is how it handles updates and long-term support. The Zorin team has always focused on providing a system that users can rely on for years, not months. This is especially important for non-technical users who don't want to reinstall their operating system frequently. Zorin OS 19 feels like something you can install and forget about, knowing it will continue to receive security updates and improvements without disrupting your workflow. What really sets Zorin OS 19 apart, though, is the confidence behind it. This doesn't feel like a project trying to prove that Linux can be user-friendly. It feels like a project that already knows it is. There's no sense of insecurity or overcompensation. Zorin OS 19 doesn't need to convince you with slogans. It just works, and that's perhaps the strongest statement it can make about the future of the Linux desktop. For newcomers, Zorin OS 19 acts as a bridge into the Linux world. It introduces concepts gradually without overwhelming the user. At the same time, it doesn't hide the power of Linux. Advanced users can still tweak, customize, and optimize to their heart's content. This balance is difficult to achieve, but Zorin OS 19 manages it remarkably well. In many ways, Zorin OS 19 feels like a response to the direction mainstream operating systems are heading. As Windows becomes more cloud-dependent and macOS becomes more tightly integrated with Apple's ecosystem, Zorin OS offers an alternative that feels open and respectful. It's not about nostalgia or resistance to change. It's about choosing a future where users remain in control. Calling Zorin OS 19 the future of the Linux desktop might sound dramatic, but when you look at what it offers, the claim doesn't feel exaggerated. It combines the strengths of Linux with a level of polish and usability that was once considered impossible for open-source software. It shows that Linux doesn't have to be intimidating, fragmented, or rough around the edges. It can be elegant, friendly, and powerful all at the same time. As more people become curious about alternatives to Windows and macOS, distributions like Zorin OS 19 will play a crucial role in shaping their first impression of Linux, and first impressions matter. If someone's first experience with Linux is smooth, beautiful, and stress-free, they're far more likely to stay. Zorin OS 19 understands this responsibility, and it rises to the challenge. In the end, Zorin OS 19 isn't just another Linux release. It feels like a statement about where the desktop experience should be heading. An experience that prioritizes users over corporations, simplicity over complexity, and reliability over constant change for the sake of change. For anyone who has been watching the Linux desktop evolve over the years, Zorin OS 19 feels like a quiet but powerful milestone. And for those who haven't tried Linux yet, It might just be the moment where everything finally clicks, and the future of their desktop suddenly feels almost here.